All right. Good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I see old and familiar faces, not just old because of age, but because of relationship during over the time. So thank you. Maraming salamat. We were given the chance. We're given this opportunity to serve again. And kami lumalahok upang makatulong doon sa tingin namin na mga bagay na may mga pangangailangan sa ating bansa. Siguro, if my colleagues will allow me, medyo banggitin ko na muna at susunod na tatanong dyan mamaya is, why are you running again? No, so, there are many reasons and many factors. Number one is I think the bill that I filed before that has not been acted upon should be pushed through, and that is the right sizing of government. 60+% of the budget of government every year, more than 6 trillion, goes to personal services. And a big chunk also of the 40% left goes to debt servicing. So almost nothing is left to be given, distributed to our people. So right-sizing the government really is a very important thing that we should do. And then I would again push for a law that will outlaw fake news. Fake contents also. And then the 14-month pay law that I proposed before was not acted upon. And then perhaps the hybrid elections, di ba? Thank you very much. Marami pa siguro iba, pero our time is limited.
Thank you po.